Welcome to a video tutorial on Social Champ's Engage feature. Let's dive in. First, log in to your Social Champ account. You will land right here on your main published dashboard. Now, look over to the left. See that Engage icon? Give it a click. You are in the Engage window. Here, you'll see all your connected social media accounts. An Engage Social Champ allows you to have an access of Google My Business, Facebook pages, LinkedIn pages, TikTok, YouTube account, Instagram business account, and WhatsApp business account. Simply select or search for the accounts you want to focus on. You will have a unified view of all the comments, direct messages, and reviews for that account. Clicking on a message or comment will give you a preview where you can give reply along with adding emojis, saved replies and attachments. Now see those handy icons at the bottom of each message or comment? With a click you can apply label, assign it to a team member or mark it as read. Use the status filters FRM the top to view unread messages, read messages, assign or all. You can even further filter by assigned team members and labels. Click on that settings icon in the top right corner. Here you will see the options for replies and labels. Let's start with replies. Click on that. On the saved replies page you will see the already added saved replies, or you can create a new saved reply or edit the existing ones. These pre-written messages are a real-time saver. Click on the Labels tab. Here, you can create new labels. These labels will help you keep your inbox organized. Social Champ's automation rules feature found within the Engage settings manage and categorizes all those incoming interactions. By setting up custom rules. Let's see how it works. You can start by setting up the conditions. You can specify things like if a message contains certain keywords. You can even add multiple conditions to make your rules super precise. Next, what do you want Social Champ to do automatically when a message meets your conditions? You can automatically assign the conversation to a specific team member, mark it as read, or apply a relevant label. And that's it, champs. Now you know how to use the Engage feature to stay on top of your social media conversations. Go ahead and dive into Engage feature today and let your conversations shine.